Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you 5 best websites to check every day to find out what Windows software has gone free. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the giveaway of the day. So just open any web browser and in the Google search just search the website name as giveaway of the day, and on the first list you will see its official website. As you can see, just click on it to visit its website. Now you can see its website. So here are tons of applications or the softwares which is gone free. So here all the softwares provided are legal, so it's not illegal anything, so it's genuinely. So you can just see here right now any MP4 DVD copy software is gone free. So this is a paid software, so for a limited time, as you can see the time, the countdown of the times. So for the this much of time it will be free, and you can see on the right side also some more other softwares also available for free. So when you click on this proceed to download page, it will take you to the download option. So now you can see here download now this software. So and you can see in the below for how much it's free. Some licenses are provided for lifetime, so the license provided for this respective software is for 1 year. Sometimes for some respective softwares you may get a lifetime or the full version software for free. So by visiting this website you can check out every day to find out which Windows software has gone free. So check it out by yourself. So on the second list we have the shareware on sale. So once again open any web browser and in the Google search just search the website name shareware on sale. So on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website page. Now you will be shown the software that are gone free right now. So you can see iPhone Screen Recorder Pro for PC has gone free right now. So you can see. So if you want it, you can just click on yes, I want this. Just click on it to go to the download option. So you can see here download now, as you can see, and you can see the sale ends in 6 days, this much of time. So you can download it today or you can download it within the 6 days remaining. So like before, just click on download link and proceed your downloading this software. So definitely a cool website to check it out every day. So on the third list we have the Giveaways Network. So once again open any web browser and just search the website name Giveaways Networks in the Google search, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. So you can see a software that is a paid software which is gone free for such a limited time. So you can see a countdown of this time, and now you can see if you want this software just click on yes, I want it, then it will take you to the download page. So after that you can see our instructions how to get this software. Just scroll down below and you can see here claim this offer. When you click on this option it will give you instructions how to download it. So this is also a very useful software to find out which apps or softwares has gone free. So definitely check it out. So on the fourth list we have the malware tips. So once again open any web browser and just search the website name malware tips in the Google search, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. So it's little bit different from the rest of the giveaway websites. Now you can see on the top side a giveaway option. Just click on it. Now it will display all the giveaway available for your Windows computer. So you can see here giveaway promotion and contest. Just click on it. Now here you can see tons of applications. As you can see tons of applications that are available right now. So you can check any one which you are willing to download. So here are tons of softwares that has gone free, and you can see the time and date also. Some might have expired also. So you can see extended trial, unlimited giveaway. So you can see here you can see right now today's at 3 a.m. it has been uploaded. So you can see your free license version also, so you can get a license code, even the full version softwares, by going to this giveaway website named as Malware Tips. So definitely check it out by yourself. So on the fifth list we have the most I want. So once again, open any web browser and in the Google search the website name most I want. So on the first list you can see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see here the official website page, right? So if you don't feel like checking on the home page, and you can see here directly, if you want to go to the giveaway, just click on the giveaway. Now it will take you to giveaways. What are the softwares that is gone free? So you can see our respective, so you can see a tons of giveaways. So you can see here expired giveaways and recommended freebies software. So you can see here, or you can go back to the home also. They are also providing some giveaways right now, so you can see the softwares that is gone free for a limited time. So definitely cool websites to check every day to find out what Windows software has gone free. So check it out by yourself, all those 5 best websites which will gonna help you to get paid softwares for free. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.